Good morning, Scott School. Hello, everybody. Happy Thursday. Today, Mrs. Reha's not in the announcements today, so it's just Miss Shorts and I, which will be great. Hello, hello. Let's see. The first thing I need to do is the word of the week. I cannot believe I forgot to do syllables for the word of the week because it's a big one. Are we ready? The word is multiculturalism. Woo! Lots of syllables. Get those hands ready. Here we go. Multiculturalism. You want to talk about a multisyllabic word. Holy moly. How many syllables were in multiculturalism? Hold those fingers up. It is seven syllables in that word. Whoa, that's a lot of syllables. Awesome. Moving on to Mileage Club. Thumbs up if you did Mileage Club yesterday. Awesome. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Yes. Couple of things. First off, I want to celebrate as a school. We ran or walked 316 miles yesterday. Now, for those of you competitive teachers and students, I'm working on finding a place where I can show you and tell you who's in what place and what classroom is in what place. So hold tight for that because I know that's really important to some of us. Also, check. Oh, I don't want to talk about the flag. Perhaps, though, if the flag happens to be, is it black that we're in? Red that we're in. That means that Mileage Club is not happening. Okay. So keep an eye on that flag so we can look for that. And I've been asked multiple times, so I'm going to say it again. You are going to get your tow tokens on Friday. It will not be Friday morning because we want to count those miles that you do at lunchtime. So you will get your tow tokens sometime Friday afternoon. Teachers, I'm going to send you an email with all of the students' names and how many tow tokens they get to pick out. So be looking for that on Friday afternoon. I think that's it. On to Mrs. Schwartz.
Thank you, Mrs. Cochran. Yes, definitely keep an eye on that flag because there is potential for moisture to be in the air today. So, want to make sure we keep an eye on that flag so we know what's happening for our recess times. And we've got some Panther Pride winners this morning from Miss Denning's class, Max and Mike. Congratulations. Friends, and remember, next week, for our third graders in particular, we are doing that M-STEP. I know Mrs. Ree has been talking about that on the morning news. A few things to remember. You can't study for it. Just do your best. Take your time. Remember to take those deep breaths in through your nose, like you're smelling the flowers, and then out through your mouth, like you're blowing bubbles. Ooh, isn't that fun? Who doesn't like to blow bubbles? It's just a nice little thought. Let's take a moment. Yep, that's nice. So remember to take your time and to get rest the night before. Please, friends, make sure you are on time to school. That is super, super important with the M-STEP. So make sure that we are doing that as well. And I think that's just about everything. You're all going to do great. Happy Thursday. Let's go ahead and stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Have a thrilling and thankful Thursday, Scott School.